Today we came to Prodigy Games to open some cards. Let's get into it. How's everyone doing today? Good old Sunday afternoon. He's apparently opening all of them by himself. I'm not allowed to have any cards. Jeez. Get it.
Yeah, I cool.
I get the starters.
No, we're gonna do all of them.
I get the starters. Oh, you're getting a starter. Oh, you get three, I get three. Do you need me to help you open that? Oh, no, he's got it. He's going right into it. I'm over here prepping all three. He's just like, I'm going right into it. Get her done. Oh, let's see what I get. Pineco, Meryl, Mankey. All right. Meryl. Ooh.
Oh, you got it.
Look at that.
It's
Awesome. Goodie X. It's awesome. It's one we needed for our master set, so. Can you help? See, this is why I prepped mine. I prepped all of mine in advance. There you go. There we go. Prep. Now we're good to go, I think. You're not in error. And we have, we have a hit. We have a hit.
We have another hit.
Tomorrow we'll go back to versus Brilliant Stars. Yep. Today we thought we'd have a little fun opening up a booster bundle here inside of good old Prodigy Games. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Another one?
Oh man. Oh man.
I didn't pull one.
Tang Lu with the other legendary Jin Pao.
Yeah, we already had that one though.
And then I got a Quaxley. And
here.
Then a Lycanroc.
I got nothing.
I can't believe I got 4 of them. You wanted the starters. I remember I was going to take them. You were going to get all these. Thank you all for watching, and make sure to tune in tomorrow where we battle Brilliant Stars versus Paldea Evolved. Thank you for watching.